Good day. You're welcome to Matex again. Secondary examples of number-based system. There are some number-based systems that I'll bring for you from exam, WAEC past questions, NECO, GC, and others. Well, let's take some of them as we round up this very topic, number-based system. Now convert 123.021 in base 4 to base 10. Solution. This is the same thing that we have been doing. I said first what we do is to set 123.021, the same thing as this. This point is a special case. The base they give to me is 4. Considering this place before the point, I have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Alright, my base 4, 4, 4. Then point 1, 2, 3. Right, point 4, 4, 4. Good. Correct. Now from here, remember there are 3 numbers, so I'll start from 2, but the best thing to do, you start from 0. These are 2 different things because of this point. Start this 0, 1, 2. But when you come to this place, it's different. We'll start from -1, -1, -2, -3. You know, after the points, the numbers are insignificant. I cannot say this thing is 444. It's mathematical error. They are counted 4, 4, 4. You can't say 444. It's not even up to 0. So you start from -1, -2, -3, and it's going down. You know that -2 is smaller than -1. -3 is smaller than -2. We'll go to number line, you understand better. So this is the same thing as what? You bring 1, 2, 3. Point 0 to 1. So it's the same thing as saying what? 1 times 4 raised to power of 2 plus 2 times 4 raised to power of 1 plus 3 times 4 raised to power of 0 plus 0 times 4 raised to power of -1 plus 2 times 4 raised to power of -2 plus 1 times 4 raised to power of -3. You see that it's simple. I'm not disturbing myself. I have to bring, I told you that the first thing to do in number-based system, you bring the number down when you are converting. You look at the numbers. Before the point, I have 3 numbers, so I have to write my base in 3 places. After the point, I have 3 numbers. I have to still write the base given to me in 3 places. Then I brought the number down under them with the points. So in this case, I still have what? That is 1 times 16. That is 4 times 4. Plus 2 times 4. 4 raised to power of 1 is 4. Anything raised to power of 1 is that thing. Plus 3 times 1. Anything raised to power of 0 is 1. Plus 0 times 1 over 4. You know, 4 raised to power of -1 is the same thing as 1 over 4. You got it? Then plus 2 times 1 over 16. That is 4 raised to power of -2 is the same thing as 1 over 4 raised to power of 2, which is 1 over 4 times 4. That is 16. Plus 1 times 1 over 64. That is 4 raised to power of 3 minus 3 is the same thing as 1 over 4 raised to power of 3, which is the same thing as 1 over 4 times 4 times 4, which is 1 over 64. Good. So we now have it to be like this. 1 times 16 is 16, plus 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 times 1 is 3, plus 0 times this. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. That is plus 0. 2 plus 2 over 16 plus 1 over 64. Now this is the same thing as 16 plus 8. This is 24. This is 27. 27 plus 2 over 16 plus 1 over 64. Now remember, the LCM here, you have to take the LCM of the one of the plus. Remember, this thing is the same thing as, we are taking only the point side. This is the point side. This one is a whole number on its own. We are dealing with these two. So this is the same thing as saying that what? 27 plus, the LCM here is 64. 64 divided by 16 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 64 divided by 64 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. You get? So this is the same thing as what? 27 9 over 64. So that's about that. You can still change it to fraction if you want, but this 27 over 9 over 64 is the same thing. So I'll pick the second example to solve for x if, let me pick two examples here. If a 2 1 1 1 0 in base 3 is equal to 2 0 1 in base x. B okay, what will I put for B? You see that if I want to solve B, okay, let me just pick that 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 in base 2 is equal to or let me just put this. Let me solve one each. I'll give you the other one as an assignment. Now you have this solution. Now what do? It's the same pattern. This equation, see the same pattern. So you put, say, solution, given that, I normally use this very well. Given that 2 1 1 1 0 in base 3 is equal to 2 0 1 in base x. Good. That is 2 1 1 1 0 in base 3 is equal to 2 0 1 in base x. I just explained it. I've given this. Now what will I do? The base given to me is 3. How many numbers do I have here? 1 2 3 4 5. And the base given to me is 3. So what I'll do on this left hand side, I'll first write out my base. 1 2 3 4 5. See, The number given to me is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 3. So what I'll do is the base, I'll write the base according to this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this place, the base given to me is x. How many numbers do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'll put it like this. X, X, X. The base is x. 1, 2, 3. You can do it in another way around, but this is the easiest way for you not to make mistake. So I have from here, I'll start from this place, just as we started from 0. I'll start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This place I'll start from 0, 1, 2. So this is the same thing as what? 3 raised to power of 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3. 27 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. That's why it's 1. This is 81. This is 27. This is 9. 3. 1. Then as x raised to the power of this x 2 x 1. Now I'll now bring the number. I have 2 1 1 1 0. Same thing as equal as what? 2 0 1. So you draw your line. This place 2 times 81. 2 times 2 is 16. I have 162 plus 27 plus 9. That is 1 times 9, 1 times 27 plus 3 plus 0 times 1 is 0. Same thing as 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 0 times x is plus 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Good. Now, I'll add all this. 162, 27. The same thing as this 9. This 8. This 1. Then plus 9. This 18. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1. Then plus 3. 3 times 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 is 10, 0, 1, 2. So I have 2, 0, 1 is equal to 2x squared plus 1 because 0 is already out. Now, this is the same thing as 201 minus 1 is equal to 2x squared. 2x squared. And this is the same thing as 201, 200, because 201 minus 1 is 200. It's equal to 2x squared. Good. So I can do justice to this side. And do justice to this side. If I do justice to this side, sorry, let me just in this from here. Do justice to this side. Divide both sides by 2x squared. That is by 2 to get s squared. To make s squared the subject of formula, I have 200 over 2 is equal to 2x squared over 2. When this leaves, this implies that, or therefore my x squared is equal to 100. Then x is equal to root 100, And root 100 is what? 2 things multiplied is 10. 10 times 10 will give you 100. So that's about that. Last example. Let's try to go through this from here. Okay. The last example under this, I have 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 in base 2. The same thing as what? 1 2 5. Let's say it in Y. Solution. Now in this case, it's still the same method that you use here. It's the same method. That is, you bring them out, given that one 0 1 0 1 0 1 in base 2 is equal to 1 2 5 in base Y. Now in mathematics, any line matters. As you wrote, given that, they know that you know what you are doing. Even if you don't know what you are doing, just write solution and start. So please, this one will lead to quadratic equation. I've done this type before, so I'll allow you to go and try on your own and see what you can bring out of it, because it's still the same method of bringing them out and calculate. Thank you so much.